Hello everyone. Your well-being is at the heart of everything we do. Today, we're delving into a topic that's the cornerstone of a fulfilling life: the importance of physical health, including exercise and diet. So why does it matter, and how can you make manageable yet impactful changes starting today? Let's get into it. Physical health isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about thriving, feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on the world. It's the bedrock upon which we build a life of joy, vitality, and longevity. And the pillars of this foundation: exercise and diet. First, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity boosts your heart health, strengthens bones, and improves flexibility and balance. But it's not just about the body. Exercise is a powerhouse for mental health, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, enhancing cognitive function, and even boosting creativity and productivity. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine doesn't have to mean hours at the gym. It's about finding activities you enjoy. A brisk walk, a dance class, gardening, or even playing with your kids can all get your heart pumping. The key: consistency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, as recommended by health experts. Equally crucial is what we put into our bodies. Secondly, a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, fuels our daily activities, supports muscle growth and repair, and wards off chronic diseases. Eating right doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. It's about making smarter choices, opt for whole foods over processed, drink plenty of water, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. And yes, occasional treats are perfectly okay. It's all about balance. Remember, investing in your physical health through regular exercise and a nutritious diet is one of the most valuable decisions you can make, not only for your present self, but for your future too. Start small, set realistic goals, and gradually build a lifestyle that celebrates and nurtures your physical well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use some motivation, and don't forget to subscribe for more content designed to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.